Jay making movies.
So, first Jordan 1 release of the year, y'all. And I'm not mad at it.
Jay making movies.
Rock money enough. Ascolta.
Jay,
YouTube family. I'm not mad at these. What's good with y'all, man? Your boy Jay is back. I'm back, man. I ain't going nowhere, man. Look, what's good with y'all? Happy Sunday, or happy whatever day it is y'all watching this video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all kicking back, chilling out. Maybe you at work. Hey, man, go and get that money. I ain't mad at y'all. But today, your boy Jay is here to talk to y'all about some kicks. Some more kicks. This shoe that I am about to talk to y'all about, show y'all the on feet to a quick on feet, as well as sizing tips and all that, man, is set to release this week, y'all, man. Top of the week. Y'all know how y'all got to start it off. And this is actually the first early look of the year, man. So I need y'all to go crazy, man. Thumbs it up, thumbs it up. Thumbs it up real quick, man. We need 2K likes, bro, on the early look. We need that, bro. We need that. Go ahead and set the tone for the year, man. But yes, the first early look of the year, we do got the Jordan 1 yellow, Ochre, man, y'all pronounce it in the comment section for your boy Jay, because I be struggling. But yellow ochre is what I'm going with. Just like the food, yes, okra, yeah. I'm hungry. Fried crispy. All that. But yes, man, we do got these joints right here. I'm gonna tell y'all some sizing tips on them, give y'all my opinion on the shoe, and of course in a future video we'll get into all the details of it and break it down. But this is gonna be a quick overview and just a quick discussing on the shoes. So we'll get into that. Before we do, if this is your first time stopping through, I appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on your boy Jay. Over here we do things such as this. Of course, we show shoes early, we throw them on feet, give y'all some sizing tips, we do vlogs, man, and you name it, man. If I don't do it, comment down below, I'ma do it. You know what I'm saying? But look, I would love for y'all to stick around, join the family, hit that subscribe button, y'all. This year, the goal I set for myself is 225K, man. And look, man, Lord's willing, I'ma grind it out. With y'all help, we gonna make it happen, man. So hey, join the family. And if you do join the family, y'all, we gotta keep it going. Comment down below. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. Say, hey, I am new to the fam, I'm new around here, or whatever it is you might want to say, and I will leave y'all a personal comment down there, man. I'll get back to y'all and welcome y'all into the fam the correct way, because look, I do want to, you know what I'm saying, like reach y'all on an independent level, like, you know what I'm saying, like we got a relationship. I want to have a relationship with the fam. I don't just want to be like robotic to y'all, you know what I'm saying. Although I can't like physically touch y'all can't physically touch me. Like, we here. You feel what I'm saying? So comment down below if you subscribe, and if you are already a member of the family, you want to just comment down below, man. I'm gonna chop it up with y'all as well, man. So big shout out to the OGs with that being said. But outside of that, we do have to talk about some Jordan 1 yellow, whatever the names is, and I do want to compare them to another shoe. You know what I'm saying? So let's start it off with the comparison real quick, and then we'll dive into some details of the Jordan 1s, the first Jordan 1s, maybe the first Jordans of 2024, y'all. So let's get to it. Bang! So releasing this Saturday, January 13th in a full family size run, y'all. We got the Jordan 1 yellow ochres and yellow ochre. I'ma just say the yellow Jordan 1s, man. But we got them releasing, man. And this shoe is not bad, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. When I first laid eyes on this shoe, when I first unboxed them and seen them, I thought that this shoe was very just regular, very mid. But this shoe is growing on me a lot, y'all. Like, I definitely, like, I'm feeling this shoe, you know what I'm saying? The quality on this shoe is there. Of course, they will vary from pair to pair, but look at that. That's that nice leather that we want, y'all. They starting the year off right. For my Jordan 1 lovers out there, this is what y'all want, man. But a quick close-up, as you can see, like I told y'all, that Chicago style color blocking. You got a nice nubuck material going all throughout it, and it's in that golden yellow color, man. A lot of y'all referenced it and compared it to the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s, which in my opinion is a completely different shoe. Yes, it does have similarities, but they're their own two different shoes, and y'all will see that when I go ahead and put them both side by side. Bang! So yes, here we have them, the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s, and there you have them both in the frame. So yes, they do kind of look similar. Of course, it is the same style of color blocking. However, they are totally, I can't put enough emphasis on that, is how different of colorways that they are. Of course, one is that wheat color, and you do got that golden color on the upcoming Jordan 1s, man. But yes, we can kind of say that they're similar in their own ways, but of course you do have different outsoles on them. Of course, you got the yellow on the upcoming Jordan 1, you got the black for the Rookie of the Years, and definitely has different materials on them, different leather quality, man. If you want to take a quick look at those side panels on both shoes, man, take a look at both those side panels. You got two different types of leather textures on both of them. But yeah, outside of that, you do got the black swooshes. You got tumbled swooshes on the Rookie of the Year, man. It is tumbled on that swoosh. You got the flat Jordan swoosh on this pair right here, and the tongues, of course, similar. One has more of a sail hit to it. These are more sail on the tongue. This is more of a white tongue on it, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, kinda, but not really, you know what I'm saying? But Rookie of the Years, yellow Jordan 1s that are releasing here in a couple days, a week from the time we making this video. But they solid, bro. Definitely, if you missed out on these and you're a fan of these, this is a good alternate choice, man. So the yellow ochre Jordan 1s that are releasing here within the week, definitely a cop if you are a fan of these, man. But yeah, let's get into these. So yes, y'all, real quick overview on the Jordan 1 yellow ochres that we will be seeing this upcoming weekend. This shoe does come with a extra set of laces, y'all. It will come with a spare set of white / cream, very soft cream if it is a cream to it, but you get either a white or a soft cream pair of laces that go with these, which of course, man, to bounce off that white tongue, that white lace is gonna look very clean, y'all. It's gonna be very clean, but the black lace is gonna contrast real well off the black swoosh, man. And instead of me telling it to y'all, let me show y'all these on feet, and then we could talk about some sizing tips, and yeah, let's get to that. So taking a look at them on feet as your boy Jay does, lace them up, man. Just a clean pair of Air Jordan 1s, man. A few years, well, maybe not a few, but quite a few years ago, back in 2017, 2016, if this Jordan 1 would have released around that time, I think that this Jordan 1 would have been a hit. I think it would have sold for a good amount on the resale side of things, and the hype would have been there, y'all. But I think it's a clean looking pair. I always state that you can never go wrong with a Chicago style color blocking Jordan 1. I think that's one of the best top 2 color blockings when it comes to Jordan 1s. They never fail in my opinion. But yeah, man, they are clean. And you know your boy Jay, look, I gotta give y'all a little razzle dazzle. Make sure y'all thumbs it up, man, because yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all with this swap, but they do not come with the shoe, FYI. So bam, right there, man. Take a look at them. Your boy Jay threw some yellow laces in there. I just gotta give y'all that idea, give y'all that visual of how yellow laces in the shoe would have looked, man. And I don't think it would have been a bad choice, man. So Jordan brand for 2024, man, let's go ahead and add more flavors to the Jordan 1s. Give us more reasons to get them, because a lot of people are overlooking them. Jordan 1s are sitting on shelves. I'm not mad at it, you know what I'm saying? I like to walk in the stores and get what I like. I don't have to pay resale. I'm not mad at it, but just, hey, man, give us that little extra added feature. Y'all upping the price, so give us that little extra lace that we want with them, man. But yellow laces, let me know, is that a dub or is that an L? Would y'all have liked them to come with the yellow laces? And your boy Jay, I know y'all gonna be asking me about laces. I'm working on laces for the fam, y'all. So look forward to some laces coming from your boy Jay this year, 2024. Mark my words, y'all. I'm gonna make that happen for y'all. But yeah, man, yellow laces, white laces, black laces, whatever you want to do with these, I don't think it's a bad look. And you actually can do some other options with the laces, but I'm not gonna get into that. We'll say that for the movie, you know what I'm saying? But definitely the Jordan 1 yellow joints, hey, not a bad shoe at all. And when it comes to the sizing on the shoe, I would say go true to size on them, just like any other Jordan 1. If you rock Jordan 1 mids, a lot of people say Jordan 1 lows kind of fit bigger than the regular size Jordan 1s. That may be right, but I know on the highs, y'all, they fit pretty true to size, and the mids, same thing. So I say go to your true size on this in particular Jordan 1. But the Jordan 1 yellow ochres set to release January 13th, 180 in men's. They will be releasing in a full family size, so of course you can have your whole family fresh in yellow, you know. But dark golden yellow color to it. Why not, real quick, y'all, why not pull out the real yellow ochres from the clay pack and give those two a quick comparison, y'all. So let me show y'all those compared to these right here. Bang! So here is the true yellow ochre shoe that did release a few years back. This did come from the best hands in the game pack. Of course, the clay pack they called it. I just want to show you guys how close that color is to that color from the clay pack, as you can see, which isn't a black toe color blocking, y'all. If y'all don't know what I mean by the color blocking style, we do got the black, you know what I'm saying, hits on the front half of the shoe. Then it switches to the color on the back half. On the Chicago style color blocking, it is just a one solid color going all throughout the shoe, man. But both shoes, bro, both dope shoes, man. Y'all comment down below. What are we going with? The best hands in the game, yellow ochres, or these new ones? Or are we going with Rookie of the Years, man? You can only pick one, but these is clean. Of course, like I said, the color is very similar to that of what we're gonna be getting here in a couple days, but it is still different, y'all. So like I said, I'm gonna say it again, it is its own color, man. The shoe that is releasing this upcoming weekend is its own in particular shoe. But yeah, man, hey, just wanted to bring these out. It's only right to compare the two. But that is it, y'all. I'm gonna leave y'all out with a quick on feet. That's how we gonna close it out. But appreciate y'all. I gave y'all the sizing tips, I gave y'all the date, I gave y'all the pricing, man. So hey, comment down below if y'all have any other questions. I look forward to hearing from y'all. I look forward to seeing y'all tomorrow, man. So y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe. Let me know, is this a cop for y'all? Is it a pass? Will this be your first Jordan pickup of the year? But outside of that, I'm gone, man, as always, bro. Woo! Laces done flew out. Number love, y'all stay blessed. I'm out.
I got Jay the sneaker, pleasure to meet you. I'm with the fam, it ain't hard to reach you. They gon' ride like the coupe with the features. We in the game, but the haters and bleachers. So take a seat, take a note from the teacher, I mean the professor. Talking big money and stay on the dresser. Keep it 100, won't take nothing less. You gang easy, got a cheat code. Yeah, bro, I'm finna go beast mode. Double up, triple up, keep those. Yeah, hell yeah, I'ma keep those. Brand new kits on my feet though. Yeah, bro, haters, I eat those. She digging my stitches, no Lilo. Finna make a movie on Vivo. Call me Jay with the J's, that's 100 degrees. No fugazi, so no way, I keep 100 with me. Had to grind till I shine, that's 100 for me. I go all in for the fam, that's 100 indeed. Yeah. I keep 100. I keep 100. Yeah, I keep 100. I keep 100.